Edit a graph using the graph data window. So editing the graph in Illustrator is extremely easy. It really is not a big deal at all. So let's go back and look at my graph here. So what if I realize I have the wrong information? So I might be off a degree, I might have something that needs to be updated. Easy to do. So you need to navigate to your selection tool, the selection tool, and you're going to select your graph. Now, we'll learn later on that basically a graph is made up of many grouped objects. It's sort of a group inside of a group and possibly inside of a group, depending on how in depth it is. So when I use my regular selection tool, I get the entire thing selected. And so then I'm going to navigate to my object menu here. Object, and we're going to go way at the bottom. At the very, very bottom, there is a graph option, and when you choose that, you see a pop-up here where I can choose type, data, design, and a couple that are not available at the moment because of my selection. What I'm going to choose is data because I want to make changes to my data. So I'm going to click data, and I'm going to see basically the same box that I saw when I entered in my information. So here I can change, and let's just say instead of the average low in March 23, let's instead put 28. I can press tab, I can use my arrow keys again to navigate around, enter to go down a column. If this is correct, I'm going to choose to click the OK or apply, and you can see if you watched right here, my number increased just slightly. This will stay up as long as I want it to be up. If I close it, remember I can go back and open it by going to Object and Graph and Data. So I can always bring that table up, which will allow me to edit the information.